गुड आफ्टरनून। यूपीएससी का जो ज्योग्राफी का सिलेबस है प्रीलिम्स का, वो इस प्रकार से है। फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी, इंडियाज फिजिकल फीचर, क्लाइमेट एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी, पॉपुलेशन, इरिगेशन एंड सेटलमेंट। ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया, इंडियाज ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर, climate and natural resources. Next is world geography, India, world's geographical features, climate and natural resources. और ये मेन का जो है वो है फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी। इसमें जो है सो जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी, जिसमें लैंड फॉर्म एंड जियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस एंड लैंडस्केप इवोल्यूशन। नेक्स्ट है क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, इसमें क्लाइमेट सिस्टम, वेदर पैटर्न्स एंड क्लाइमेट चेंजेस। नेक्स्ट इज हाइड्रोलॉजी, वाटर रिसोर्सेज, रिवर सिस्टम एंड वाटर मैनेजमेंट। नेक्स्ट इज बायोजियोग्राफी, प्लांट एंड एनिमल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, इकोसिस्टम्स एंड कंजर्वेशन। सेकंड पार्ट इज ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी, पॉपुलेशन ज्योग्राफी, इसमें पॉपुलेशन ज्योग्राफी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड माइग्रेशन। इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड ट्रेड। अर्बन ज्योग्राफी, अर्बनाइजेशन, सिटी प्लानिंग एंड अर्बन डेवलपमेंट। नेक्स्ट इज रीजनल प्लानिंग, रीजनल डेवलपमेंट प्लानिंग एंड पॉलिसी। ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट जो हो गया ज्योग्राफी का, उसमें अगर देखेंगे तो वो हो गया ज्योग्राफी इज ऑल्सो एन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट फॉर द यूपीएससी मेंस एग्जामिनेशन। द सिलेबस फॉर द ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट इंक्लूड्स फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी, इट कंसिस्ट जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, हाइड्रोलॉजी एंड बायोजियोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट इज ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी, पॉपुलेशन ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी, अर्बन ज्योग्राफी एंड रीजनल प्लानिंग। Next is geography of India, India's geographical feature, climate, natural resources and regional development. Next is world geography, world's geographical feature, climate, natural resources and regional development. These all consists in the syllabus from prelims to mains, but we will start with prelims syllabus first. And the first we will deal physical geography, feature of India and diverse and complex, whatever. We will start with this. Okay. So India's physical geography features diverse and complex. Here are some of the key features. First is mountain. Number one, Himalaya, the world's highest mountain range, stretching from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Second is Eastern Ghat, a discontinuous mountain range along the eastern coast of India. Western Ghat, a continuous mountain range along with the western coast of India. Vindhyas range, a mountain range in central India. Next is Satpura range. Next comes to segment is plains. First is the Indo-Gangetic Plain, a vast fertile plain stretching from Himalaya to Deccan Plateau. And second is Deccan Plateau, a highly plateau covering much of southern India. Next section is rivers. Ganga is one of the India's longest and most sacred river. Next is Brahmaputra, a major river in northeastern India. Third is Indus, a transboundary river flowing through India and Pakistan. Yamuna, a major tributary of the Ganga. And fifth is Godavari, a major river in southern India, and Krishna, a major river in southern India, and Kaveri, a major river in southern India. After that coming coastlines, Arabian Sea, India's western coastline, Bay of Bengal, India's eastern coastline, and Indian Ocean, India's southern coastline. Next is islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Union Territory in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands, a Union Territory in the Arabian Sea. Next is desert. Third desert, a hot desert in northwestern India, and Rann of Kutch, a salt desert in northwestern India. These physical geography features have shaped India's climate, culture, and economy. Okay. Some additional factor you can add, that is Plateau, Deccan Plateau, a vast plateau covering much of southern India. Malwa Plateau in western India, and Chota Nagpur Plateau, a plateau in eastern hills, eastern India. More precisely, hills. Eastern Ghat, a this continuous hill range along the eastern coast of India. Western Ghats, a continuous hill range from the western coast of India, and Vindhyas range, a hill range in central India. Next is valleys. Ganges Valley is a fertile valley along with the Ganga rivers. Second is Brahmaputra Valley, a valley along with the Brahmaputra rivers. And third is Indus Valley, a valley along with the Indus River. Coastal line backwaters, a network of lakes and canals along the western coast of India. Mangrove forest, dense forest along the eastern coast of India, and coral reefs along the western coast in India. Island groups: Andaman Nicobar Islands, a Union Territory in Bay of Bengal; Lakshadweep Islands, a Union Territory in Arabian Sea; and Pondicherry Islands, a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Next is Thar Desert, a hot desert in northwestern India. Second is Rann of Kutch, a salt desert in the northwestern India. And Aravalli Desert, a desert in western India. These are the main features, and we will discuss more in a regular JSO course. As far as terms are concerned related to physical geography, these are as under: plateau, an elevated area of lands and relatively flat top. Second is mountain, a natural elevation of Earth's surface, usually steeper than a hill, a natural elevation of Earth's surface lower than a mountain. Valley, a lower area of land between hills and mountains, typically with a river or a stream flowing through it. Next is deltas, a landform that forms at the mouth of a river where the river deposits and sediments. Next is coastline, the land along the edge of a sea, ocean, or a lake. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. Next is desert, a dry and other hot region with a limited vegetation and rainfall. Next is climate, the long-term weather patterns in a particular region. Next is natural resources, a substance or living or organism found within the Earth's crust that can be used for economic benefits. Some in India specific Keter, Himalaya, the world's highest mountain range stretching from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Next is Deccan Plateau, a vast plateau area covering much of South India. Next is Ganga rivers, one of the India's largest and most sacred rivers. Next is Thar Desert, a hot desert in the northwestern India. Next is Western Ghat, a continuous mountain range along the western coast of India. These were the terms used in physical geography of India. So I repeated it and giving it 2 times so that you can listen it, and I think 50% of this you will got by road. So keep watching. All the best. Thank you.